Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Management at Glance. In my last videos, we discussed about the concept of management, its features, levels, etc. In this video, we will study about the nature of management. As we all know that management means to manage something and it exists everywhere in each and every kind of organization, in a hospital, in a school, NGO, etc. Now the question arises that what is the nature of management, whether it's an art, science or profession. In the coming slides, we will try to find out that whether management is an art or not. So first we will find out what is an art. Art refers to skillful and personal application of systematic knowledge to bring desired results. In simple words, we can say that when you apply or when any person apply the theoretical knowledge that he or she obtained from the different books and literature in a skillful manner in order to achieve some desired results, it's called an art. Now we have to find out that whether management is an art or not, and for this purpose we will try to compare some of the feature of art and we will try to find out whether these features exist in management also or not. So the very first feature of art, that any kind of art is based on some theoretical concept, ideas, principle, etc. For example, literature on dance, music, etc. is available. In the similar way, management is also based on different kind of principles, theories, techniques, etc. And various theoretical books, material and literature is available for management. So this feature exists in both management as well as in art. Now comes to the second feature, personalized application. Art is a personalized concept, as everyone applied the obtained theoretical knowledge in a different way. For example, two doctors, two dancers, two writers, painters will always differ in performing their art, whether they obtained the degree or learned the art from the same institution. In the similar way, every manager have the unique and the different way to manage the things and the situation, whether they learn the techniques of management or the principle of management from the same institution. So this feature exists in management also. The next feature is art needs regular practice, as it can be improved only and only by constant and regular practice. For example, if a dancer learn any kind of dance form but he or she is not regular in that, in such situation dance form can't be improved. In the similar way, if we talk about management, if manager also need the regular application of the different principles and technique for the improvement and in order to become the good manager, if he or she are not regular in practicing their techniques and principle, in such situation their management skills can't be improved. So this feature also exists in both management as well as in art. So we conclude that management is an art as it satisfies all its characteristics or features. So it is rightly said that management is the art of getting things done through others. Thank you for watching my video, and in order to know more about the nature of management as a profession as well as science, keep watching my coming videos. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.